Hello, my name is Alex, also known as Sarek. Today I would like to show you my add-on. It's called STG, short for Stylized Texture Generator. First things first, you need to install the add-on. Go to Edit, Preferences, find the add-on location and click Install. You need to click on the plus icon and locate the folder that will be provided for you. Click refresh button and all the shaders from the library will be added to your project. As an example, this is how basic skin texture looks like. Best thing to do for now is to start with a blank material. Let's add base color. This setting have your primer and secondary color. Pick the secondary color and adjust the settings. The angle of secondary color can also be adjusted. For a quick result, color pick your primer color and adjust the values. Now let's add ambient occlusion. Another setting is inner edge. I mainly use this one for deep crevices. Now let's add one of my favorite, curvature. Curvature sadly only works in cycles, so we have to jump in the render mode. Let's check out the gradient. At the moment, gradient only is added as top to bottom, but will be changed in the future. The next slider is for subsurface scattering. Now let's add bottom light. Let's go back to painted texture setting and play around with it. To get the best performance when painting, you need to be in sculpt mode and use paintbrush. If you want to adjust colors for your painted textures, you can do it in paint and color settings. Now let's play around with multiple materials. As the area of the model that you want to apply your second material. Create a face set from the mask. Click on transfer to create a slot for your second material. If you want to use the same material, you will need to generate it again, so that the setting will be separated.